Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's our amazing assignment is on chapter 9 measurement. From that workout question 8 to 10. For this you can refer workbook page number 35 and 36. First problem. Pranay started reading a story book on 22nd July. So on 22nd July he started reading a story book. So that is 22nd July. And completed on 5th August. And completed on 5th August. Remember this? How many days did he take to complete the book? So, number of days. How many days he has taken to complete the book, including both days. That means 22nd July and 5th August. So, from 22nd July to August. Now, 22nd July is the first date, right? 22nd July and 23rd July, 24th July, 25th July, 26th July, 27th July, 28th July, 29th July, 30th July and 31st July. So up to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days in July month, and in August, August 1st, August 2nd, August 3rd, August 4th, August 5th. So in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 days in August and 10 days in July. So total 15 days. So the answer is 15 days. Okay. Next one. Observe the picture and answer the following. See here, rabbit and tortoise has finished the running race. Now observe the picture and answer the questions. At what time did the tortoise finish the race? See the tortoise time. The time of tortoise is 11:25 am. So 11:25 am is the answer. Next one. How much time did the tortoise take to reach the finish point? How much time? See the starting time of the tortoise is 8:30 am. So starting time is 8:30 am and finishing time 11:25 am. 11:25 am. So now from 8:30 to 11:25. See 8:30 to 9:30, 1 hour, and 9:30 to 10:30, 1 more hour. Next 10:30 to 11:30, 1 hour. But here tortoise has completed the running race at 11:25. So 5 minutes should be take out from this 1 hour. That means 2 hours, complete hours, and out of 60, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If we take out 5 minutes from those 60, then 55 minutes will be there. So the answer is 2 hours, 55 minutes. How much time did the rabbit take to reach the finish point? Go to the rabbit. Start time is common for both tortoise and rabbit. That is starting time is 8:30 am and finishing time is 11:35 a.m. So 11:35 a.m. Now see here, 8:30 to 11:30, overall 3 hours. So 3 hours and more 5 minutes the rabbit has taken, right? So 3 hours 5 minutes is the answer. Next one, at what time did the race has start? Starting time of the race is 8:30 a.m. So the answer is 8:30 a.m. Next one, observe the given picture and answer the following. See here, from Chennai to Hyderabad, the distance is 625 kilometers, and from Chennai to Mumbai, the distance is 1330 kilometers. Now, what is the distance between Hyderabad to Mumbai? From Hyderabad to Mumbai, they did not give the distance from Hyderabad to Mumbai. We have to find the distance from Hyderabad to Mumbai. That means here they are given the distance from Chennai to Mumbai, that is distance from Chennai to Mumbai is 1330 kilometers, and distance from Chennai to Hyderabad is 625 kilometers. Then distance from Hyderabad to Mumbai is if we subtract both, we will get the distance. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible, take 1 from here, then it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 6 is not possible, take 1 from here, here it will be 0 and it becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. So 705 kilometers is the distance from Hyderabad to Mumbai. Next, the distance between Chennai and Mumbai is 2 times the distance between Chennai and Hyderabad. See, the distance between Chennai and Mumbai is distance between Chennai and Mumbai is, what is the distance between Chennai and Mumbai? Chennai and Mumbai is 1330 kilometers, and the distance between Chennai and Hyderabad is, so write it, distance between Chennai and Hyderabad is 625 kilometers. So according to the given statement, Chennai to Mumbai distance is 2 times the distance between Chennai and Hyderabad. So once find the distance between Chennai and Hyderabad and twice it, that means double it. 625 into 2 is equal to, now first multiply 625 and 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 6 is 12. So the answer is 1250. That means the distance between Chennai and Mumbai is actually 1330, and the distance between Chennai and Hyderabad is 625. If we double it, we are getting 1250 kilometers. So the answer is no. So the answer is no. This is only our assignment for today, children. Thank you.